animal husbandry. In fact, our aim in this area is to turn our state into the ram and cow supply state for the whole of the Southwest. This is what we call whole beef policy. Thus, we have brought in experts from abroad who will train our people in the modern management of the beef production business. To ensure success for this program, we're building infrastructure such as modern abattoirs and cold rooms for storage and preservation. We are also encouraging and preparing our youth to business entrepreneurship to be able to stand on their own and also be employers of labor. In tourism, we believe the state